Good morning. Good morning. How we doing? Welcome, welcome. How is everyone this morning? Good morning, Emma, Adrian, Fabiola, Alex, Ariel. I think I said Ariel already. No, Adrian. I said Adrian. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, G Man. Welcome in. Sorry about that. I was answering an email. Good morning, District NQES Trader. How is everyone this morning? Hopefully, we get some good price action today, huh? Nice protein smoothie. I got some coffee this morning. Good morning, Border Gas. Welcome in, King. Good morning, David. All right. I'm going to share the screen with Team Bull. Good morning. Good morning. Are you on vacation today, Alexander? I missed it. Barton, I'm doing well. How are you? Good morning, D. Asia Low retest already hit, huh? Oh, Tommy's growling. Good morning, Nico. Yeah, I had a nice push day this morning. I got my routine off by a day, but I'll fix it. I will fix it. So I hit a push day, then some steam room this morning, which was nice. Morning, Hummer. Oh, gotcha. Alex says different. Yesterday's bias was great. Yeah, we had the right idea. I just stopped out of that trade, everyone. I didn't like how Grizzology confirmed. I stopped out and it went exactly the way I wanted. After stopping out, I made like 20 something dollars. I tried to stop out of entry. What's up, Danny? Good morning. Oh, my back. Back needs pop this morning. Usually can get it to pop. It's just not wanting to. Let's talk to Team Bull a bit. Good morning, Team Bull. How's everyone?
What's up, Mr. Cloud?
What's up, man? We gonna get some good price action today?
Hope so. I got about an hour to go, so Gene's gonna take over after that.
Nice.
So basically, I need to trade in the first hour.
Let's do it. We have rejected that Asia low twice pre-market, so I think I'm gonna. I might still watch the area, but I feel like it's not as high probability at this point.
Yep. Busy morning.
What you got going? Is some business?
Just like school stuff.
Oh, nice. The school stuff keep you busy, man.
Till the lights go out. What's I gonna? Oh yeah. All right, guys. We will have our morning.
Good morning. Oh, thanks for using code Grizzly with a take profit, Fabiola. Appreciate you as always. You all crushed it yesterday using code Grizzly, but I recommend if you're gonna try take profit, if you're getting any accounts, right now is the time with the sale they have going, the 50% off, and it's only 3 days to pass the eval. What's up, Sosa? Good morning. Is that what you want, Joey? I'm down. You'd probably be disappointed after last week. Last week was tough. We really struggled. We come out about flat on the week, but it was a tough week for sure. Good morning, Brett. You wonder what happened overnight? I don't know. I did not keep up with any news. Nice. G-Man said that the Apex payout is approved. I use code Grizzly. Appreciate you, G-Man. More war news. It's always some kind of news, huh? You I was thinking about it a little bit last night. It seems like trading was much easier pre-Russia war. Like it seemed like it was so much easier to me. I don't know. Was it just me, or did something change once we hit that? For those that's been around, Can you all share the live real quick? I'm gonna get us some accounts to give away, all that good stuff. Let's get some people in here this morning. Maybe we'll get some good price action. I feel like everyone's just wore down from this tough market. So. Oh. Good morning, Thomas. What's for breakfast today? I threw down a shake before I got on here. All right, I'm gonna get us some Tradify accounts, okay? Well, I'm working on getting us right now. I had to text them. So, see if I can get us some accounts. Good morning, Paulina. Pre-market low sweep. Samuel, MJS. Everyone, good morning. Glad you're with us. Remember, everyone, if you're new to this, which, it's mostly OGs here right now, this is a group effort. We talk about trades we take here, agree on them. So if you have any input, please let us know. Yeah. Appreciate you all for being here. Okay. Love to trade another day. Good morning. Morning, me. So, Jadon?
Said, how about those shorts yesterday, bro?
Man, they got me out of the trade and instantly printed, huh?
And then it went insane.
I blame Grisology. Because I didn't want to go against Grisology. It confirmed the retest. Then.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro.
Fighting with my own indicator.
That short was crazy. All right, guys. What is good? What is good? Welcome in, everybody.
This is the type of candle that makes me want to try shorts early if we close strong down here. Like at 700 retest. Good morning, Naya.
I think it's done. We'll see. It's possible.
Appreciate y'all for sharing. It's all good.
Candle go out.
We saw people were seeing different setups yesterday. It's
Candle
no
just
big deal to
blew
me.
itself out.
It's just one day in time.
I always trade with the candle.
Some people made money from the trade, so I'm happy about that. Good morning, Ashley. How you doing?
I love having a nice candle. Natural candle.
You know what I'm doing after the live today, Jadon?
What are you doing?
Going hiking.
What?
Going for a hike.
Are you?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Look where that closed. Look at that opening
I
candle.
think the wick's just cooked. They need a new candle. I think that's why. It's going out.
Hopefully that's what you
That's
wanted,
why.
Ashley.
Figured it out.
Yeah, this is nothing I can.
Yeah, I think Gene, you got the shorts. Did you just close early? I mean, in comparison, how far it went. You
Yeah, I'm not shorting here. Just watching. I think we'll have a good day. I'm just gonna say it. I'm not trying to jinx the session. I know it's been tough. Oh, I love hiking. Love it. One of my favorite things to do, honestly. I wouldn't care to ride bikes if I had someone to ride bikes with. I guess it would be fun by yourself, but I've really not got into riding in so long. I still can ride, but you know. I probably would like it alone. I should try it. I like most things alone, anyways. Loner at heart. What is it? Oh, good morning, cowboy. Big, how you doing? Mountain bike. I've never tried actual like I've never had the proper bike for it. I used to ride my bikes in the mountains as a kid, but we always had cheap bikes, you know. I'd like to try it. It's just hard to find to make, you know, a friend local that I trust. Literally people are just not trustworthy anymore. Is it me or is it just very hard to find someone that you can trust that's just not out to for themselves 100%, you know? Yeah, taking my dog today as well. It's gonna be fun. On the hike. And if people, my experience with trying to make a friend, if they're just not completely dirty, they get jealous and they some sort of resentment or something. Like I don't care what they're, you know, like I don't care about that stuff. I'm trying to find someone's loyal friend, you know, hang with. No, I lost my best friend, wreck in 2018. Grew up together. Has it been? Was it 2018? Been that long ago? Seemed like yesterday. Appreciate the MJS. Is that why they're jealous, Terry? That's funny. No, I don't know if think it's that. It's all good. Just life, you know. That's right. Exactly right, Fabiola. Exactly. I still got one childhood friend. We just don't hang much anymore. Just kind of busy with life. But we made time recently. Hung out once. But all right. So we got 5 minutes. Well, 4 minutes 25 seconds until 15-minute range is in. I think I'm gonna definitely watch for a short up in this area, everyone. If we reclaim this VWAP pre-market high, then that's out the window. I'm not looking for shorts any longer. Excuse me. Let me talk to Jada and Team Bull real quick.
So we got VWAP and point at, or pre-market high up here.
That's exactly.
Potential reject up here.
Go ahead.
What were you saying?
I was saying I was watching the exact same thing. That's why I unmuted to say.
Yep.
From 786 to 820 area for reject. Right now, Matthew, either I was gonna try a prop firm right now. I would go with probably Tradeify the 50K select Matt, or go to Take Profit and try they got the 50% off sale, 3 days to pass the evals. Try their 50K accounts. But just go to my website, grizzlytrades.com. You can find all the links, read about them, download my free ebook there to read about prop firms. You don't understand them, but they compare the accounts for you basically. Code Grizzly, yes, for the discount. Use my link for Take Profit as well. Should give you the discount with the code. You're welcome. People starting to show up now. I guess everyone sleeping in a little because of the slow market, huh? This pre-market high looks good for shorts. I just hope we don't get a massive high volume candle up to it, What's up, Travis? How was vacation? Well, I mean, what did you do? Good morning, Lance. Welcome in. You know something, Lance? My next door neighbor growing up was named Lance. He's a good guy. That sounds nice. I've never been to there. I don't believe. Come on. Rejected here. We just wanted a little bit higher. Morning, Oscar. Oh, you say most Lancers are good? I would say that's true. I don't think I've met one that I haven't liked. Any questions? That's quite the push up there. Did not hit that Asia low. Good morning to you. We're gonna get a knife trade today. State day incoming, Alexander. I feel that as well. Hey man, your friends are back on TikTok. Let's see here. Yeah, sushi last night. What'd you go with, Sherwood? We got 10 a.m. U.S. pending home sales. Thanks, Sosa. I see two in a row. Sorry, my accountant is blowing my email up this morning. Honestly, I'm glad I have a good accountant, but the days I have to talk to her are bad days for the most part. Let's see. So many bots, yeah. All right. Let them hang. This looks good for a possible trend entry, but if we had a little more volume, it's just the key levels risk, especially about that point of control. You all have anything else on watch other than what we're watching together here? Hey, look at my option selling portfolio real quick here. Yeah, great. Selling back off. Mares. For those that sell options, constantly, how are you tracking your P&L? Do you have a certain specific way when you're selling options that you keep up with it? I'm just curious to see the different ways. I've never asked that. You just let your broker, follow it on there. Yeah, I would try here as long as we don't hit demand first. The orb confirmed for sure. Bill, I sold some more Mara puts just now. Growling. Let's see here. Yeah, thanks for those using code Grizzly with Credify this morning. You're crushing it. I appreciate it. Seems like people are buying the select accounts and the straight to funded, the lightning funded ones, skipping the evals. Nice. I'm here. I'm just watching. Oh yeah, I was sending something there. See what happens. We have not confirmed the orb yet. I mean, I would be okay with a high volume reversal candle here, but it's gonna have to get with it. It's got 1 minute 13 seconds. Do I still have the fans on? News is about to drop. 30 seconds. Oh. Or data, whatever. Yeah, Thomas, I feel that. Appreciate all the likes this morning. See if we get a trade here. We got this data is dropping right now, so what we're gonna do here? Do something. Yeah, appreciate you, Sosa. Yes, it's the men's zone. Thanks. What's up, Wolf of Texas? How you doing? You thought I caught the drop? No, I couldn't take it. I had to wait on the. I wanted to see the volume confirmation and be out of this range, honestly. But I would have taken this retest if we just had the volume on this candle, which we didn't. Still gonna watch that Asia low area for a reject, everyone. 800 to Asia low if we push up. Some droid, man. What's up, Money Mind Easy? How are you? Can everyone hear me? See my screens well? I want to make sure we're on the same page in case we get a trade here soon. Awesome. Nice. You made it back home in time? Trade with us? I'm glad. See what we get. What was the delta? Plus 35. So it was positive, right? It looks like it's going to sell off here, but we really don't have anything to work with. I don't know if we could justify saying this is the trend entry still. See if the orb confirms. I feel like that's going to be the move. Right now, volume's trying its best to point up, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We are above, below key level, so it'd be hard to long anywhere in this area. Oh, I seen Tradeify just sent me an email. It says 40% off your first 5 challenges, and if you bundle them together, they give you additional 5% off. So if you're anybody tries this, go with the 5 select accounts, link them together, get the 5%. So you're getting 45% off total. Um, so the total will be $470 for 5 linked together, and that is 550K accounts. So that's a great deal. There's no consistency once funded on them. Just use code Grizzly to get the discount. They surprised me with that sell. I didn't expect it. I guess maybe we're taking profit and everyone releasing one. Yeah, Wolf of Texas. I agree. I agree, man. Yeah, I think short term. I mean, right now I'm going to look for the orb to confirm shorts, but the last couple of candles are kind of saying up. Not a very strong buying, but there's still, some buying there. I agree with you on the possible shorts. Market's going to give us the work day you need, Jaden, staying in this range.
What'd you say?
I said the market's going to have to get with it if you're going to get a trade before you leave.
I know. Come on. Come on, man. Considered an options trading potentially. Trading potentially.
I sold some puts this morning on Mara.
What?
I sold some puts on Mara this morning. MARA.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm gonna buy between this area between 7 to 10. Load up.
Nice.
All right. Of course, the breakout candle is gonna have low volume.
That initial push would have went like 1.5R. A little over actually. 2R. So we got the orb confirming, guys, but what's wrong with this?
Low volume. So the orb has not confirmed for me. What a tough market lately to give us trades. Good thing for us, we have plenty of levels close. So it may be a long session. We'll see. I miss the 30-minute work days, Bring them back. I love when we come in, make a bag, then we just go work on our other incomes. Bet Grizzology confirmed this on the breakout, but I'm gonna be patient. I don't know that for sure. I got the retest setting. Yeah, for real, Corey. I'm ready for them. We have 2 hourly demands below. Make sure you hit the follow. I'll go live every morning. No matter how tough the market's been, weather outside, we're here. We show up. So hit the follow, lock in. This is a group effort community. So if you have a setup or maybe you see something about our setup you don't like or you need to understand better, just ask the question. I do my best to answer every one. Nope, Wolf of Texas, I have not. For me to take a trade, I have to very specific confirmation I look for, but it's hitting. I just follow the same old boring strategies, you know. That's right, Ariel. I agree. There we go, Sherwood. That's funny. Give us one good trade. I got a hike to go on after this session today. It's gonna be a good hike either way, but you know it's better when you make a bag. Yeah, that's a good one. How long is the hike? I haven't decided which one I'm gonna do. It poured the rain yesterday, so I gotta be careful with that. I mean, I don't mind the mud, but I'm not crazy about the following my way up the clay hills in the mud when it's steep. It come a bad storm. Have you all been getting some bad weather your way? It was a pretty bad storm here yesterday. Probably one of the. I mean, it wasn't tornadoes or anything, but it's one of the worst ones I've seen this year here in this area. You need some rain in Austin. I've been hearing that a lot of places are dry over towards. Emma was saying that about Colorado. Dry there. All right.
Yeah, that's lame. That's lame for the 2 bar. I wanted to see us fully closed below.
So I was going to ask you if he was taking it.
Well, you want to see us have a full body close. That's where it really gives you the most edge.
It had some pretty strong negative delta on that candle. Just if that helps any.
It still could be valid. It's just not as valid.
Yeah. Plus we had the hourly demand.
Not what you want to see. You want to see full body. So a lot of times you'll see it when you close right by that 50%. You see that continuation up. I like full bodies with or 2 bars with full bodies. I'm gonna tackle that candle. It's got to be aggressive.
All right. See here.
The app is not live yet.
Let's see.
15. I don't really use 15-minute 2 bars, but I will use 15-minute for confirmation of the trades. I do. I have a lot of respect for the 15-minute time frame. It's my second favorite time frame. You know, like we look at this, and we have rising volume. Yep, that looks good. So potentially like a 6, maybe like an orb like 640 area up here to like 650 area short. Like at the 15-minute low, you could try it. Based on the 15-minute chart.
Guys, girls, I know I'm boring, but I cannot take these shorts. Because the only volume confirmation we got invalidated on that push up. Could it print? Yes. Do I have to set it out because I'm boring? Yeah. It just hurts sometimes, doesn't it? Not to take a trade that looked good to you because we watch the charts every day, but your strategies, you just don't have, like, you haven't back tested it completely, taking that exact setup. So it's just basically guess, right? Some people had strategy match that I see. Some people in chat took it. It's okay. If your strategy matches, take it. How's your day going, Wizard? Well, if you're driving in the country, it couldn't be too bad. Oh, appointment after appointment. That looks decent the way that candle closed. Let's see, let's just be patient here. Still watching Asia Low for shorts. You may be stuck with me for a while today. Good morning, Nick. How's everything been going, Nick, with business and everything? Live. I know you've been busy in and out. Nice. I mean, if you shorted point of control, it has rejected it like 4 or 5 times since we opened. So I'd be a little cautious. You could try it, but you just have to manage your keep a tight stop. Now this candle could confirm a Grisology if it looks, does right here. If that happens, I would take a short. You have to wait on candle close. Just because that pops up, it could go away before this candle close. All right, see what this candle does. I just don't have a good read on it right now. It's not telling me to go either way yet. We've got 2 minutes 22 seconds to see. Just if Grisology confirms, we can keep her stops above the confirmation candle or a 5-minute close back inside the range. No, I love seeing you all win and chat, even if we're not trading together. I'm rooting for you. See how it's very important to wait on close the candle to take trades. If you don't, if you take it before it's closed, it's not confirmed, right? It could still confirm. We got 50 seconds. Anything could happen on this candle, but the way I test my strategies, it has to be closed. The way I trade. See that? It's a hard lesson. Hopefully everyone listened. It was a good day in class. Ariel, 15-minute chart. Let's Slack. You like the 15-minute chart for downside. Hopefully we get an entry. I would love to catch a move down. Sorry, Derek. Yeah. Anytime if you see a trade in chat, I don't care if you all trade together or whatever. Just make sure when it's posted, if the trade's already happened, to stay out. I don't want you losing money, okay? It's just hard to call call trades. Sometimes it just happens as soon as you get in. You know, just pay attention to that. There's a lot of great traders here. That being said, just don't blame me. Yeah, it is difficult to stream and call trades because when we take a losing trade together, not only did I have a losing trade, but the people that liked the same setup and I did and decided to take it had a losing trade as well. Only place I was short right now would be up around VWAP, Asia low. Thanks, Emma. Back inside the range,
How about
man.
XRP for the culture? So I'll put in 5K for you. I expect to go 0. That's fine. Am I taking a trade today? No.
We would like to take one.
All right, guys. I'll be back in like 45 minutes. Gene will be taking over the stream. I expect everyone to be very nice to.
Sorry, Shabazz, you're not getting into my life. However you say that name. That's good point, Corey. I'm about to work my magic here. What's up,
I'll see you
Gene?
guys in a little bit.
Oh, I thought Gene was here. What's up, Gene?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Good.
Bye. Besos.
How's everything in Colorado, G?
Pretty good. I'm ready for the fall. I'm tired of the heat.
I'm hearing the grass is greener in Tennessee. I don't know.
Yep. I'm ready for skiing. That's what I'm ready for. I think that we're gonna reverse and start pushing up, guys. We hit an hourly demand zone. It look like we want to push above the EMAs, but structure is still not fitted 100% for longs just yet.
I'm still watching the same area, everyone. The Asia low area. VWAP 760 to 790 right now for possible short. All right. Gene don't catch hints well. I give up today, Corey. I will continue my evil plan to steal Gene another day. My coffee is out. That is the problem. I may have to go make some more. Well, it's nearly out. A few sips left. You can hear me, right? I seen someone ask me to say something like they couldn't hear. Man, my daughter would catch that and keep it as a pet. He was there. Praying mantis. I'm watching this area right here for a reject. May not get it back above this point of control. We could still confirm the orb down here, everyone. So we have two trades pretty close that could confirm. What's the box at the bottom? Oh, this is just the volume thing here. It's not part of Grisology. That part isn't. That's just the volume that you can get free with TradingView. Oh, the green one. Oh, sorry. My bad. That is Grisology chart set. This hourly demand that we hit here. It didn't confirm though, so I didn't take it. I like to get a confirmation candle. You heading out, Danny? Have a good day at work, man. Yeah, it just didn't confirm for me. The volume, red potato. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out for a bit, so drop your questions. We're gonna stick around, see if we get a trade. If we miss a trade, it's not because we're not here waiting for it. That's what I'm saying. Any questions at all? As long as they're not too weird, Keep them out of here. Take them to J Down live if that's what you want. What was the delta on that previous candle it closed? Can someone tell me in chat, please? The red candle had positive delta? Is that what you're saying? So you're getting plus and they're getting negative. Interesting. So the majority is saying 261. Negative 261. Smoking Bob says negative 261 as well. It's almost like these EMAs want to cross, huh? Appreciate the follow. If you have questions, drop them in chat. I just got the original one up here, Jay. If you want to change yours to what I have, I prefer this one. Say that. Watch it be on the other. Let's see here. Where we at? I forget where it's at to change it. So, right here. Yeah, the legacy. You can change it. See what the volume profile has point of control at. Basically the same spot. Very close together. Come on, give us confirmation. Let our patients pay today. I'm not really thinking anything right yet, Naz. I'm still watching. Volume's not giving us clear direction. It could go either way. Only thing that the downside has working for it is point of controls above. Man, we keep wicking to the upside, but still a possibility we reclaim it here. I'm not seeing anything saying we're going to continue down yet. I'm on the in Team Bull. I'm always on the Zoom with Jadon. There's always going to be us on there, but I understand. Used to, I was the main one that talked. I just stepped back and just let everyone else, let Jadon get back in there. He handles all that. I just chime in when I got a trade, I don't interrupt anyone. If I had to pick something, it'd be shorts here, but there's nothing telling me to take this trade yet. Jonas, the market has been trickier the last week and a half, for me at least. Up until then, we was crushing it. We was flat last week, basically. Haven't caught a trade this week yet that made money. We stopped out of one yesterday at break even. Well, I made 20 something dollars, if that counts. I would have to do a separate Zoom if I did that. Oh, Grisology, can you confirm for us? The amount of Ashley's, Nick's, and Jonas we have in this chat. Enough for a California roast, right, Jay? Looking for the orb set up here, Wolf of Texas. Or demand. I'm always down to trade demand bounce if we get confirmation. That's my favorite strategy, supply and demand. And we got quite a few Nates now that Nate showed up there. Point of control has dad strength. You all know about dad strength, right? I didn't get any confirmation here, so I can't take a trade. I know it's not what everyone wants to hear, but stay locked in. I promise you, if you're new to this live, we catch trades. We just don't take them if they're not there. We don't force them. Yeah, I would say shorts will print here. Agreed, Emma. But I will not be a part of it. Should we just start taking my bias? Look, you want me to develop a bias and we just start taking them trades? I wonder what the win rate would be. Just trade strictly on bias. May work. Who knows? You all would have to back test that, keep up with everything, my bias, and let me know in a few months. Once we get a few months worth of data. Full name is Grizzly, last name Bear. See if my win rate's better than Jaden's grandma. I doubt it. It's not that good. I will never reach that level. Not yet, Shelley. Good morning. Times are right. Oh, let's see here. It doesn't even feel right being called that. Jonas, you just leaked it, man. Funny. Mystery's out. Gotta go. You all come back tomorrow. Everything's deleted. No trace. It'd be so funny. What is it? Since July 26, NQ has had lowering daily volume. It's interesting. Well, no. I guess it would tell where we. What is it? Oh, yeah. It's not a mystery, everyone. I've been on podcasts and everything over the years. I just like to mess with you all. You know what this reminds me of? Thinking about talking about the names and everything. The good old friend Dumpster. You all remember Dumpster, the OGs. He used to be admin in Team Boy, but he passed away. But anyways, not trying to make it sad or anything. He I never seen him in person. He always kept it a mystery, like who he was, his face. That was just part of the, his character, right? And I never wanted to see it or know, but still, was really good friends. Who remembers Dumpster in here? He was a good one, right? He traded penny stocks. volume making our lives very difficult this morning. But at least we've not gotten to a bad trade. We've been patient. It's true. Any questions? I'm sticking around for a bit, so I want to see if we get a trade at least in this demand. Dexter, you can go with whichever one you prefer. I went with this week and next, so some different ones. You can go out as far as you like. Oh, do we get some volume here? Sammy, I'm just gonna take what the market gives, man. If it confirms this bounce, I'll go long. If it confirms downside, I'll look for a short. But one thing we need, if there's anyone around that has, delta pulled up watching it, right at the close of this candle, I would like to know the delta of it, if possible. Just the volume wasn't there, Derek. I was looking for. Appreciate it, Sosa. Oh, nice candle. All right, what is it? Come on, don't sell straight off. This is a little difficult trade, but at least we have a risk defined here. Oh, did not mean to do that. Where's it sitting at, Sosa? Previous week low 535. Excuse me. Please don't make the move down without retracing. No idea what he's listening to. My bad. TikTok is just going right off your screen. Oh my goodness. Pull back. We're moving down 100 points. I'm gonna watch for a 600 entry for possible shorts, everyone, if we push up before making this move down to 500. Even say 80s, 580s, but invalidate this demand real quick.
Yeah, I see.
What's up?
Down here at 629,400. Hello?
I was watching for a short entry, everyone, if it pulled back to 600, but it's not looking like we're going to. So I'm going to be around for a minute, see if we catch a trade, okay? Team Bull chat. Still watching.
I like that 602. That's a 30-minute orb low.
But if we touch this, if we go all the way down to 500, or yeah, before pulling back, I'm not going to watch it. I was hoping we could invalidate this hourly demand that we're in. Hopefully we don't get a high. I'm okay either way. If we confirm a bounce, I'd try it. But as of right now, if we push up to the 600 area, 580 to 600, I'm going to look for shorts. Wow. You working out today, Gene?
Yep, I have to.
What are you hitting?
Back in biceps. I need to work out today.
I cannot believe you all haven't gave me a trade yet this morning. Well, we invalidated the hourly demand. Nice, Emma. Need to get on board with you. Combat sport. Give me an example. You like talking about like boxing or what? Something like that. I did classes when I was young, stuff like that. I never competed with stuff. I wanted to really get into what is it, jiu-jitsu, but there's just no one good in my area. I was gonna try to do that when I was like 30, 31. I was trading with you all when I tried to get into that. Just some, I wanted to do it for exercise. Plus, thought it would be cool to learn. But anyways, K's up KG. The guy I found a guy that did it, and I went, and he was an instructor, and he wanted like to. The first day I was there, he wanted to like you sparred first day, like they're trying to show you. But I was stronger than he was, and he couldn't. He was the instructor, and he couldn't beat me, and I didn't know anything about it. But I know how to wrestle. He knew the techniques, he just wasn't strong enough. So I was like, yeah. Then the next guy didn't know anything, so I just gave up after that. It was a funny day. I'll never forget that experience though, because there was a big guy there as well, and they put me with him to see if the wrestle. He'd been going there for months. He was tougher than the instructor. I give him that for sure. Stronger. What's the delta on this? I was about to rip some lungs here, but I mean, it had higher volume for sure. It's just wasn't enough aggressive bind to make the move up here.
Jalen is on his way back, guys.
Right. CG man, sorry, I just seen your message there, man. I'm locked in here.
Come on, is 602 hard to get? Too much to ask for?
Is it going to erase this candle? If it breaks this, if so, we can watch for the bounce. This demand. Ooh, best build. Wow. Not much left in the coffee. Good thing we didn't try that bounce, huh? Literally just wiped it out. See what happens. Gee. Well, we could watch this area still if you all want to hang out for a bit. You all decide it's too much. Let me see if they message me back about the accounts for one. Oh, yep. I got some codes for Tradify Select. I'm gonna give away some of them at the end of this today. I still have some take profit accounts to give away as well. We'll probably just do Tradify today. Yeah, there you go. Think I should pick one of the Jonas brothers? That's funny. We got 3 or 4 Jonas in the chat here. There's 3, right? So that makes sense. Not yet, Money Mind Easy. I'm trying my best to catch one. What about you? Excuse me. Yeah. You got a friend back, man. Well, the buy's paid today. Check that mark, everyone, if you're tracking. So we see if we have the actual strategy, you know? Technically, we haven't had really higher volume than that confirmation candle. So I guess the 600. The only thing about the 600 reject is we've already made the move I wanted to catch. I know one thing. Whenever I did try the Jitsu, I was sore, for sure, the next day. After all that, literally felt like I worked stuff I hadn't worked, maybe ever. I'm not for sure. Probably when I played football was the last time. Let's see. How did Jada and I meet? I joined Team Bull when he first started it. I was just a member there, and that's how we met. I think that's the first Discord I ever joined. Honestly, and one day I was made admin randomly. I didn't ask for it. Didn't do anything crazy. I just traded. I guess he liked it. The rest is history, you know. Back when there was no same day expiration for sure. I didn't trade futures then at all. I've always enjoyed the stock market. Even before I understood what day trading was, I was long term investing. I did well with that. That's been a long time ago when I started that, though. Still love long term investing. I would say just as much as I do day trading. I really like good swing trades or leaps with options. I do well with them. Well, that last CRM trade did well for us. I don't know who all took it, but I think I ended up making between for the exact amount. I think it was close to 7,000 off of it or something. The total. I'll have to check. Maybe been a little more. Enough to cover the stake. Nothing yet, price action. Have you caught anything? Here sometimes, Tio. We discuss them here. Without day trading and just the long term, would you be working? What do you mean gauged up? I did well. My long term funded my, whenever I quit my 9 to 5 job, it funded my living until I uh, started day trading every day then once I quit because I had the time, right? You know, I wasn't in my job, but I also had other income started by then. I wasn't just relying on day trading alone. I don't know if I could do that now. It's very difficult just to, if you have to pay everything, take care of your family, you know, everything. for those that have families, whoever you got to take care of, whatever your lifestyle is, it's going to make it very difficult if you're just relying on trading alone. That's why I just continue to build incomes. It's just you just got to compound in life, compound your long term. Just keep the base hits add up, and once you understand that, you can think about it now. But if you're not doing it, you really don't understand it yet, or you would be doing it. What's going on?
I just got back from my colonoscopy. What are you doing, bro?
How'd that go?
Good. Tingly. Both of his hands on your shoulders during the procedure. What is actually wrong with you guys?
I'm watching for a trade here. What are we thinking? I still like the 600 area, everyone. We did hit this close to 500. I worry about that. All right. I'm going to start my short position here, everyone. I'm going to add to it at 600 if we get there. So go live. You try this with me.
I see you.
I like 600 much better than this area. I just don't want to miss the move. I'm okay starting here around 80, 75 to 80, and adding to it at 600.
I like 590, 600 too. That's what I was potentially watching. I don't like that 5 minute.
My stop.
That 15-minute doji, but
yeah. My stop loss will be probably a close back inside the 15-minute range or a close above this trend line we have here, like at 610. But smaller accounts or whatever, less risk, wait till 600 area for entry.
close to 590, 600.
I feel like 590 would be about the perfect average.
Yep. I don't mind that too. Stops at like 630, 635 or something like that. 590, 600 area.
Yeah.
Bad.
The way I see it, we have room down to the next demand, which is around that 490. If we continue a trend here. Oh no, is Trump really about to talk, or are you messing with me? If I waited all day to get in a trade and Trump speaks and ruins it, excuse me. I didn't know he was going to speak, or I wouldn't have got in this trade, to be honest.
Trump is speaking. Oh, great. Oh, great. That's just wonderful for a potential setup. I think this area could be all right. I don't like that we've tried before, but I don't mind it. Let's see.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and just add the rest of my position here. I'm not adding any more. Keep my stop. Probably a 5-minute close above this trend. If you can see my chart, the trend line's like at 610. So if we close above that, I may stop it. But that being said, I'm going to keep a hard stop up here at like 632. So don't get too far out of hand on us. Yeah, maybe they're in Trump and them's in puts. We'll see.
This is a potential area for shorts, 59600. Let's see how we react.
Just rip straight down the low day.
Don't like that 5-minute chart though. It's hard for me to short personally.
Don't mind it.
The area looks great in terms of our overall day, but this 5-minute chart's just a bit tricky for how I like to trade. I see the shorts, the reasoning why for sure. %, retracement of the day is like 640 around that 15-minute.
I'm watching here. We're at the 21 EMA.
Yep. Staying patient. Staying patient. Let's see if this gives us our lower high here.
Oh, that was almost like he started talking there.
Say something to send us flying down.
Go down. Keep going. Just rip straight down. Oh yeah, I'm in shorts. I've been in. My average is in the 80s. Didn't quite get it to 90, but I tried.
I wouldn't mind. I'll try it. If we can see some sort of reversal candle here, I will likely try it.
Who knows with Trump speaking, man? That's what's going on.
Sell at a lower high. I'm open to it. If and only if we get a sell at a lower high. Trading smart, trading safe, and choosing DOD, everybody. DOD is how I'm.
Oh. Just does it want to go back to low day is the question. That's what I'd like to see. If we get low day, it'd be a nice trade, huh? I mean, I got my heart stop in the 30s. I don't want to get too far out of hand. You can, I mean, if you want a tighter stop, you can set it right here, 620. Both are valid. Get down into the 50s, lower 50s. That's where I'll look to trim. You all can trim where you see fit, okay?
Strong field there, boy. That was we rejected pre-market low and POC aggressively earlier.
Yeah, it just didn't give me entry of volume. I was watching that closely. All right, continue on down.
Might be it. Candle structure looks all right. The 5 minute there looks good. Okay. Let's see here. This potentially is our lower high. Maybe we get some continuation. Maybe this is it. We breached this low that's like 565. Invalidate this trend setting candle here. That could be very good for shorts. We'll see. Listening to. Where's my freaking? There we go. Headstrong to take this trade on. I had to go today, and my trading session was interrupted, so I'm not sure if I'll end up taking anything. We'll see. We'll see if we end up taking anything or not. Contemplating a short up here.
All right, trade. Do anything but chop. Stop us out, rip straight down to price targets. Just don't chop around all day. You know what I mean? Anybody else feel that? Nice cowboy. All right, give us 50s. If you got in right at 600, you can trim.
Yeah, that was a great entry.
You know what? Let's see. Get some selling volume in. Aggressive selling. On a big move.
And give us big move. Come on.
Back at my entry. That quickly.
Come on, do something. Doesn't fit any of my criteria right now, so I'm just gonna sit. I don't.
Yeah, for real. We had the right idea. I went down to the 60s. I just wanted a little lower to trim, you know? This volume's horrible on this push up, huh? I'm just riding. I'm taking this to my stop, everyone. I'm not getting out early. Either gonna stop me, I'm gonna lose cash, or I'm gonna make a bag. If you don't like it, we're at entry right here. This is their average in this area. Should be from 85 to 95, somewhere in there. Horrible volume. This volume's horrible. I don't know what to say. I don't know which way it's going to go with this. Literally not saying. We closed back above, but we're still closed below 21 EMA, so I don't know. Could go either way here. Horrible volume.
In a reversal around 645. That's what I mainly
Alright.
watch with 645. Sorry.
If it breaks above this 15-minute range, it will hit my stop, everyone. If you stopped out at 620, it's perfectly okay. That was a valid stop loss. Just seeing if we get back in this range. Horrible volume, man. Pushing up on. What is this?
We touched that 15-minute low. I think the 630, 640 area could potentially be it if we're going to see a continuation reversal. I think it could be. If you get a reversal, I'd buy shorts. Right, shorts. Buy shorts. I'd be in shorts. I'd eat some shorts, yeah. I'll ingest some shorts. Make sure you guys check out teambull.com too if we're going to compare.
Jesus Christ. Every time I'm in a trade. Just trying to give Team Bull the top stop loss. I think this has been a tough week. The strategy will start working. They should start working again very soon. It should be like today. Honestly, I'm still in. All right, Team Bull. My stop loss is at 32 exactly now.
Close. We got right to that 15 before the.
Oh, we was talking about that this morning. Live to trade another day. I was saying, I think trading got more difficult when the Russian war started. Seemed like that's when it seemed like it was much easier. Or at least it seemed easier to me before that. Looks like it's gonna get it on low volume. All right, everyone. I'm just gonna give away some accounts and call it. We tried a trade, and you can see what it did, just pushing up on lowering volume. So, who likes Tradify accounts? The 50K. Let me see. Make sure they gave me the select. Let's see here. Zesh. You can have one, Zesh. Zeshannara. Let's see who else. Let's see. Border gas. I'm gonna give you one. Tomorrow I'm gonna give away 2 more Tradify. I'm gonna give away 150K take profit accounts for tomorrow's live stuff. I'm just gonna do 2 today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do more. I gotta go on my hike, everyone.